Please take a look at how the game looks on screen. This is the new world of Zelda.
Attention all passengers on the Metro link. This is an emergency announcement. Attention all passengers on the Metro link. This is an emergency announcement. The sun has caused widespread destruction and loss of life on the surface. It is not safe to return to the outside at this time. Please stay where you are and do not attempt to leave the underground. All Metro trains have stopped due to the current situation on the surface. The electricity has been cut off for safety reasons. If you are on a train, you have two options. You may choose to stay in your wagon or you may exit the train and proceed to the nearest station. If you choose to exit the train, please follow all instructions.